Hello and welcome to my channel. This is How to Scholar. So we're just checking out the new system which is for Napsa, iCare. Okay, so how do I log in? Okay, so not so sure about how to log in or which login credentials to use. You can just go on forgot passwords. So here we can just enter our NRC number, then click on reset password. So it's going to send a one-time password or OTP which you have to enter. Then that verifies that you have access to the NRC number that's linked to the Napsa system. Okay, so for anyone that's actually already has an existing account, we'll just say a social security number. Those are the ones that have to go on forgot password. Then from there, you'll be able to enter the new password. Okay, and for anyone that doesn't have an account, will have to go on register here. So what usually happens is, let me just show you something. Okay, so if I say, there we go, I'm Zambian, Zambia. Okay. Oh, I forgot. So say this is my NRC number. So the system is actually going to detect if you already are registered with Napsa, but if you're not, so let's say next, so your ID number is already registered, please log into your account. So meaning you can't register an account. Okay, so you just have to log in. So that's how you get access or register for a new account with Napsa. So most of the requirements are actually, let me just show you. Most of the requirements that they'll need is this information that's here. So it's a thing of step by step. That's how it is. Okay, so let me just go back. Click like and subscribe to see more future videos like this. This is the new iCare system that Napsa has implemented.